FitLab PGH is a podcast about movement because movement is a lifestyle, not just an activity. If you like to ride your bike, a lot of times when the weather drops down, you complain of cold feet, cold hands. We've talked about pogies. We use Bedrock Bags pogies, but your feet are also a big deal. You can buy specialized shoes, or you can wear your sneakers, use some flat pedals. And when we interviewed Aerotech Industries a few months ago, we went to their warehouse and got to purchase some things and kind of bought these as an afterthought. These are neoprene toe sleeves, and you'd think they wouldn't make that big a difference, but a nice pair of running shoes in case you have to hike a bike, and one of these on each foot, along with a nice pair of wool socks, and your feet will stay nice and toasty warm. Relatively cheap investment, lets you get outside into colder weather. Movement is a lifestyle, not an activity.